Hello, welcome to the video for the C3D Styles Tool Palette. This app is available on the Autodesk App Store. The app basically creates a dynamic tool palette with an array of buttons that correspond to the various styles in your current drawing. So it will update with whatever styles you have in a drawing. So with that, I'll go ahead and run the command so you can see it in action. So you see here we've got a tool palette that has popped up, and you can do just about everything you can do with a normal tool palette. You can dock it on the side here. You can pull it out. You can go in and set some transparencies if you want to work with it in a transparent function. You can hold it open, but I think personally it's easier just to dock it on the left and have it running over there, but everybody's got their own preferences. So once you have this positioned how you want it, you can come in and you'll see you have a object type selection, so you can pick the various object types that are available. More will be coming soon. Just wanted to get something out there initially. So for instance, if we want to do surfaces, we'll go ahead and pick surfaces, and you see that it's populated with the styles that are in the drawing. So if I look at the actual surface styles that are available, it's reading from this drawing to populate those buttons. And these are just simple buttons that allow you to click and run the command. So to apply the style. So I'm going to go ahead and pick on a button, and you can see down here it's prompting us to select a surface. So I can pick my surface and apply the style, and it'll stay within the command until you right click to enter or to exit. But you can quickly be able to change your styles around to whatever you need it to be. And I mean, that's just surfaces. Now if you wanted, let's say if you set it to like a no display or something like that, I'm not sure if I have one in here. This actually has a border on it, but you can come up here and say allow for select multiple from a list. So this will allow you to apply it to multiple surfaces all at once, or to be able to select something that's not on the screen. So if you just check this, and I allowed this checkbox to kind of allow the command to run quickly, a little bit more quickly when just picking a button, because you'll see here, I'll show you in here in just a second, but I'm going to go ahead and apply the styles, and now it says to allow for right click to select from a list. So I can either pick on the screen still or right click to select. So I'm going to go ahead and right click, and I get this menu, and then I can hit that and apply my style accordingly. Now the difference with this command is if I right click here, you're going to get this menu. You can cancel out of it, and that was my reasoning for including the checkbox there, just to allow you to quickly be able to right click out of a command. Now you can escape out of this command instead of right clicking, but anyway, it's a nice workflow for changing styles. So I'll switch over to profile views, and just to show you, let's run it with multiple. And so here's our multiple profile views. We can select all, say OK. There's all our profile views have been modified to that style. I can also come in and run it the other direction if I wanted to. So you have options there set up for applying your styles. And the multiple might be nice actually for profiles. If you're wanting to change several profiles to a design profile, and you got to go through and pick them here on the screen. I believe those just updated like that. I think there might be a regen in there that needed to take place once that profile changed, which is why they were jumping around, actually moving. Something I'll have to try and build in. Yeah, so if we pick this here and I say existing ground, there's all my profiles. I can just go through and quickly apply everything to existing ground, and now they're all adjusted. So that's the app. I mean, that's pretty much all there is to it. It's just picking which object type you're working with. Eventually, I plan on trying to get the majority of the objects in here, as well as possibly some labels to allow for that as well. So, thanks for watching.